Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue our lesson about PLC GE basic programming. Okay. So in the previous video, we already learned about timer on, timer off, and timer pulse, and we also connected to the SCADA. Yes. By one by one. Okay. So in this section, we'll learn about basic math programming in the ladder block diagram. Okay. So first, basic math, we will learn about the add integer. Yes, add it means that sum or plus. Yes, and this is a sub. It means that minus. Yes, subtract. Yes. So let's go to our program to create the add blocks of integer and sub block of integer for test. So let's go. I will choose the existing project for test this block. So right click the program blocks and choose the new folder. Yes, this one example LD maths. Yes, LD maths, and I will choose the ladder. Yes, because we are learning the ladder logic diagram, right? Okay, so example LD maths, right? And don't forget call this block to the main block, right? Otherwise it not work. Okay, and double click, and here we can comment. Yes, comment and then enter. We are learning about math, basic math, add integer, right? Okay, so to create the block we have two options. So first option, go to the tool chest and then go to the ladder instructions and go to maths. Yes, and here we have a lot of function block for maths. Yes, so first we learn about the add integer, right? So we can drag and drop the add integer, yes, to here, or we can write like this, add underscore int, yes, like this, and then enter. The same we drag and drop also. Okay, so here we can enable like this, or we can choose any button. When we enable the input plus output, the input 1 plus input 2 equal output Q. Okay, so here I choose the button or switch to enable this block for add the value. Yes, example add BP. Yes, push button or add SW it means that add switch, yes. So I will choose NO and then add SW, it means that add switch. And for in1 we can choose the variables. So I will create new variable, example add underscore in1, and this one add underscore into, and this one for add underscore q, it means that output, and the data type is integer, yes, because we use add integer, and one more for sub, right? So we can connect like this, or we can choose one more run, yes, like this, and all contact sub SW, yes, and then we can drag and drop, or we can write like this, sub underscore integer, yes. So here I will choose the variables also, yes, for easy to create from the HMI, yes. So example, this variable is the sub in1, and this one is a sub in2, right? And for output sub q, yes, like this. And the data type is integer also, yes, int, it means that integer. So this one we must assign the memory register, yes, to create the HMI also. So I will choose %m for the switch. So %m, and this one %m also, and this one for integer I will choose %a for add in1, and this one %a also, and for the result is %a also, this one also %a. For into sub it we also assign %a, and the result also %a, yes. So right now we already create the block for sub integer and add integer. Okay, I will add a command more, and sub integer. Okay, so save our program and then validate to check, yes, no error occurs right now. So we can download. Okay, right now we already download to the PLC, yes. So if I write value in 1 to example 20, and this one example 20 also. So when I enable this switch, it will take the 20 plus 20 equal 40, yes. So right now please test with me. I will press F12 for enable the input. Okay, you see, when I enable the input, it will plus between in1 and in2 equal q, okay, equal 40. Example, I will adjust this one to 10, yes, it will equal 30. Adjust to 1 or 2, yes, like this, yes, like this. Okay, so this is the add integer, and for the sub integer example, I write this one to 14 and then this one to 4, yes, like this. When I enable this switch, it will sub between in1 and in2, then equal q also, yes, you see 14 minus 4 equal 10. Okay, so it is the concept of basic math of PLC GE. So right now we will connect all these variables to the HMI, yes. Okay, let's go to our project HMI, and I will online for create the points by choose the dynamic, yes. This one we tweak by we no need to stop the project, yes, it means automatically update the points that we create new. So let's go to point and then choose the new. The first one is the boolean, right, for enable the switch for add the integer, yes. So I will choose the add switch, yes, and boolean and divide also, and %, 3 sorry %, 3 to 4, yeah, for input, and the next I will create one more for sub switch also, and %, 3 to 5, yes, 3 to 5, like this. And also create the input for add, right, so right click and then new, and then I will choose analog, yes, because it adjusts the raw value, yes. So in here I will create the add in1, yes, and %a, yeah, I will choose the %a 25, yes, and here please change to integer, yeah, because we use the add integer for add in, sorry, it is the add in one, yes, we can change this % to 26 and duplicate one more for add in one, yes, and %25, yes, and one more for add q, right, so right click, duplicate, add q, %27, and this one also for sub in one, sub in one, right, in %28, one more sub in 2, %29, and one more for sub q, right, %30. Okay, so right now we already create the points for connect with the Proficy Machine Edition. So let's go to screens and create the new screen. Yes, this one let's save, and then example mat. Yes, and here we can create some button or switch, right? Let's go to switch. Yes, we will choose the switch. Yes, drag and drop the switch, and then choose the point. Yes, so I will choose the star and then add. Yes, so add switch. Yes, add switch, and then I will choose the text and rectangle. Yes, actually we can copy from other screen like this if we don't want to create a new. Yes, like this, and paste. Yes, and we also edit this one. Example, add in one. Yes, add in one, add in two. Yes, add in two like this, and we can copy. This is enable, right? Or we can say add switch. Yes, adjust like this, and we can copy. Yes, select all, and then press Ctrl and Shift and drag and drop. Yes, yeah, we can copy like this, and just change this one to sub switch. Yes, and don't forget edit this one to sub switch. Yeah, sub W, and this one rename to sub in one, right? Sub in one, and this one sub in two, right? So sub in two. Yes, and save, and then go here and edit the points for edit, right? So let's go to browse the points. So add in one, right? And we set point also, because we would like to adjust something. And this one browse also, and we would like to adjust also. And one more for result. So I will adjust this one a little bit, and then let's copy more for result. Yes, and change this one to add result. Yes, add Q, and this one sub Q, right? Sub Q. Yes, like this. And this one no need to set the action, right? But we just show the result of add block. So add Q, and this one is the sub in one, right? Browse, and then choose the sub, enter. Yes, and sub in one, set point action also. One more, browse the points also, and sub into, and set point also. Yes, and this is a result, so no need to set point, but we choose the point Q. Yes. Okay, so save our screen and then let's test the screen again. Yes. Okay, I will minimize this one. So right now we can link. Yes, we can link from HMI to Proficy Machine Edition. So I can adjust this one to example 50 and then enable this one. It will add in one between in 1 and in 2 and got result. Yes, enable this one, and if I adjust this one to example certify, yes, it will minus, right, because the in 1 is less than in 2, so we will got the minus result. Okay, so it is the basic of basic math function of ladder. Yes, that we already test and create the program. Yes, so thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope everyone will understand about this function. Basically we can use this one for many program. Yes, example, we take the result to compare with other one, and we can generate the output. Yes, we can use this function also. Let me show everyone in the next videos. Yes, so I would like to say thank you very much for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe my video also to get more new notification and more new videos also that I will create step by step. Okay, so in this time I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.